Hi guys, my name is Raj. I'm the Keto Coach from myketocoach.com, and you're here because you want to learn how to make apple cider vinegar in a super simple way that still tastes great. And that's what you're going to learn. Stay tuned. I'm going to go into how to make apple cider vinegar, and actually before I get into it, I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how it benefits even people that follow keto as well. Currently, I'm actually doing OMAD. So 1 meal a day with keto. So actually I got my meal right here. Check out that beauty. We got a couple eggs, bacon, cheese, avocado, ground beef, and spinach in there. I'm gonna have to do a separate video about that. But anyways, I take my apple cider vinegar after a large meal. So with OMAD, just 1 meal a day. It's a large meal within a short window of eating. So I take it right after to help for digestion and the other benefits I'm going to talk about. So 3 big benefits of apple cider vinegar are it has high acetic acid. So basically what that is, it's the highest, most valuable property in vinegar, and you're never going to drink raw vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is the best alternative for that. Some of the benefits are it helps cholesterol with cholesterol leveling. Your levels of cholesterol, helps your body detox as well. It's amazing for detoxing and gut health. And lastly, there's been studies for type 2 diabetics anyways, a study was done on how it levels blood sugar. So, and that equates to appetite suppression for many of us. And that's another great benefit of apple cider vinegar. The other second big benefit of it's right over here is it helps ketone production. So all you guys that are doing keto, ACV apple cider vinegar is amazing for that. And the reason why is it actually gets the cell to produce more energy out of the cell. So you're going to get into a deeper state of ketosis. Your body's going to create more ketones. And when you're following a ketogenic diet, that is one of the biggest goals. Lastly, I want to talk about with apple cider vinegar is the mother or not. So people who shop for apple cider vinegar will notice it says with mother on it. This one's really small, but it says right there with mother or not, or with mother. So with the mother, what that means is you want that in there, by the way. Don't buy the cheap one that does not have it because you do not get the same benefits. With the mother simply means is that it has the probiotic properties in it. It also has, I made some notes here so I made sure I quote it properly. It has healthy enzymes and a probiotic bacteria in it. So again, it goes back to good gut health. And it always looks cloudy. So that's how you know. You'll see apple cider vinegar that's completely clear and yellow. That probably does not have the mother in it. The cloudiness is what you want. And you'll see even sometimes you'll see little stringy things in there. That's what that is. And you want that. It helps with digestion. That's one of the principles of helping with digestion as well. Again, gut health. So how do I make it? How do I make it taste good? So let me get into it. So what you're going to need to make your apple cider vinegar are a few things. So small glass of water. I don't put too much water. You can add more. I'm all about making it small and just slamming it back because it still doesn't taste perfect, but it tastes better than just taking it straight. So I use about half cup of water like this. I heat it up for 30 seconds so it's warm. And that's one of the secrets. So one of the tips is warm water will reduce the taste of the apple cider vinegar. You want a measuring spoon. You're going to need a lime, a spoon and a straw. The other tip too is drink it through a straw. So if you drink it through a straw, it protects your teeth because the acetic acid is not really great for enamel. Especially if you drink on a regular basis. The other thing too is that it'll bypass your tongue, so you won't taste it as much. So big secret. And you want obviously your apple cider vinegar with the mother. This here is cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is the best, but cinnamon will do. This here is cayenne pepper and ground ginger. So that's all you need. Those simple things: apple cider vinegar, the ground ginger, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. So what we're going to do is we have a glass of water here. So first thing I do is it's already warm. So you're going to take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Let me open this. You want to shake it up a little bit. I already did that. So let me put the glass where you can see it. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in here. Okay. Then with the lime, you want to roll the lime. So another thing too is roll it hard, and then this way when you cut it to squeeze it out, to juice it, it will juice quite easily. So here it is, and we're going to juice it. Put this here so you can see it juices really easily. Now you can use lemon too. I use lime just because I think it tastes better. Well, cinnamon here. Now, people will use like half a tablespoon. I don't even measure it. So I'm just going to tap this in here, put as much as I want. Then I think people get hung up on too much of the measurement, and then they don't end up actually drinking it or even making it. The other is the cayenne. So this one you want to use only a little bit because it can get spicy real quick. So I'm going to put a little bit in here like that. You put it to taste for the cayenne, and ground ginger. So ginger is an amazing ingredient to add. Let me just figure out how to open this. And again, I put a couple of dashes in here. And then I use, you can use your spoon, or I use a straw to normally stir it. So let me just do that. So I use a straw because I find it's quicker to stir. Now when this is warmer, it does stir easier. And it's just that simple. And now you're ready to go and drink this thing. So now you can see it's not much water in here. People who fill in a big glass of water, if they enjoy the taste, then that's fine. But I don't. So I do this, and then I'll slam it back. And then that's it. I have usually 2 a day. So I'll have one before after my big meal, and then late in the night if I'm getting hungry, or if you're just starting fasting, it's a great way to help hunger. So I'd have it in the night, and some people have it in the morning before they go to work, but you can have it at any time. And it's a great product, super simple to make. This is how I do it to make it taste better, and it's palatable, and I think it's fantastic. Leave comments below or any questions that you may have. I'll come back and answer them. But take care, guys. Thanks.